In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use MGX AI. So in order to do that, you can head over to mgx.dev and then input right here your proceed or your actual ideas for this agent. So for example, let's ask them to create something. So let's help create a paragraph about lifestyle of a beauty queen. You can just input in here your prompt, just right here the model that you would like, and after that click on send. So as you can see right here, you can sign in and create an account to get full access. So you can head over and then click onto the sign up or sign in option. When you proceed to sign up, you will be prompted to the sign up page wherein you can sign up using Google or enter your username, email, password, and password confirmation. So with this, you can just input your prompt. You can also see right here that it supports Supabase. You can choose engineer prompt as well as team prompt and also get over to the race mode or deep research options. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.